Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can enter or replace the battery at the Rode VideoMic Pro. So the battery is here behind that cover, and there's an indentation here, and with your finger you go on that indentation and put it now on the top to the microphone like this, and the battery cover you can remove it now easily, and as well the battery. So take it with your finger like this and pull it out. Yeah, and if you want to enter the new battery, be sure that the negative side is on the top, so at the microphone, and the positive side is below. So enter like this. Okay, it's inserted, and after you put back the battery cover, so you enter the top first, like this, and if it's completely inserted, you just press below and the cover is fixed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it, and maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for, and maybe until next time. Ciao.